Hey guys, welcome to landdhome. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my top 15 most favorite products that I have bought so far this year in 2022. I thought this would be a fun idea for a video because I've bought a lot of stuff this year that's home related, but I didn't like everything and I loved some things a lot. So not only am I sharing my top 15 purchases, but I'm sharing them from my top 3 favorite retailers. So I have picked 5 products from each of my top 3 favorite places to shop: Amazon, Target, and Walmart. I know everyone's budget is different, and I also know everyone likes to shop at different places. And if you're wondering why I'm crooked in the frame, it's because I'm going to be sharing some pictures and videos here for you of each of these products. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. We are going to be starting with Amazon. My top 5 favorite products from Amazon are in no particular order. I just went through my purchase history for 2022 and I picked out the 5 products I've been loving the most. So number 1 doesn't necessarily mean it's number 1. It's just the order of which I purchased them. So let's jump into number 1 from Amazon. Number 1 is a really recent purchase, and that is the sheets that you see here on the screen. We have been struggling with our sheets. We have a queen size bed, but it is a pillow top. So every fitted sheet that we have moves around when we sleep, and you cannot get it to pull completely over the side. So I was in the market for a deep fitted sheet, but they are extremely expensive. I couldn't find them at Walmart. I couldn't find them at Target. And if I did find one, the price was mind blown. The original price is $17, which I think is really great for a fitted sheet, but I actually got it on sale for $13. We got the dark gray color, but it comes in 14 different colors, at least in the queen size. So you have lots of variety, and I've only had to really fix the sheet one time, and we've been using it for a few weeks. It fits beautifully. Number 2 from Amazon are these faux leather pillow covers. This is also a recent purchase, but I absolutely love them. You get a pack of 2 for $14. I did get them on a very small sale. They were about $11 or $12. They do only come in this one color, and that is this leather color. But I absolutely love the warmth of this color. I really wanted to bring some warmth into our couch because we have a lot of really cool tone neutrals in our living room in general, but also on our couch. So I love the warmth that these pillow covers bring to our couch, and they are super durable so far considering we have 2 kids and 2 pets. Number 3 from Amazon is this tissue box. Now this would be perfect for tissues, but it's not what I use it for. If you saw my laundry room clean video where I cleaned everything, it was gross. I'll link it down below. It's a must watch. And I redecorated and reorganized. I was waiting on this tissue box and it actually did not show up in time. So I didn't get to reveal it in that video, but I'm revealing it here. I am actually using these for my dryer sheets. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it is helping me not grab a big chunk of dryer sheets when I'm in a hurry. It is slowing me down enough to grab about 2 dryer sheets per load. We are sticking in the laundry room for number 4, and that is this dryer vent cleaner. I did feature this in that laundry room video. So again, check it out. It's linked down below. But I got so much lint and gross stuff out of my dryer with this. This is an absolute must-have. Now, it's not something you're going to use every day or maybe even every week. Maybe it's a once a month or a spring cleaning type thing. But considering that having lint stuck in your dryer, I hear, can cause dryer fires, and no one wants a fire in their house. I've had that happen to me. Lost everything. It wasn't a good time. I think this product is amazing for the cost. The original cost of this is $20, so it could be a little steep, but I actually got it on sale for $11. My last product from Amazon is this 2-pack pet hair remover. The cost for this 2-pack is $11. That's the normal price. Both of the items that come in this pack are the same size and they are amazing. I have featured them in many of my videos, especially where I am cleaning the stairs. It lets you get into all those nooks and crevices on the stairs or along baseboards, or even in your car if your pets travel with you a lot. It's got this silicone rubber on the end, which really helps pick up everything. And I like that it's very small, so I can hold it in my hand easily. Let's move on to Target, because everyone loves to shop at Target. Now, I will say, Target prices are a little bit steep for my wallet, but I do love a good Target purchase, and I have 5 of my favorites from 2022 in this video. So no particular order, let's hit it off with number 1. Number 1 is going to be this Lazy Susan that I bought, and I actually bought 2 of them. They were $8 a piece originally. I do believe that I got them on a sale, or I used my Target Circle rewards or something. I don't remember paying $8, but full price, they are $8 a piece. These would be great for a pantry. They'd be great in a kitchen, but I actually use these under both of my bathroom sinks. We have minuscule storage space under there, and it just helps to put all of my cleaning products or my hair care products on these Lazy Susans, so I can just spin it around and I can see everything that I have and nothing gets lost in the back. Going along with that product is product number 2, and that is this 3-tiered extendable shelf that I use for our spices. This extendable shelf is $12 regular price. I do believe I paid regular price for this because I checked Amazon and other places and they were ridiculously expensive. I actually have 2 of these. I have one in my pantry that I use for canned goods, canned vegetables, canned fruits, canned dog food, thing like that. But I also have one that I use in my cabinets for my spices, and it allows me to see everything that I have because of the tiered design of these shelves. Nothing is like hidden in the back. My storage system before was not working. Now I can visually see everything I have. I know what to buy, I know what to use, and I know a particular spice or canned food that I. Number 3 are these salt and pepper shakers from Hearth and Hand. These are absolutely adorable, and the stuff comes out really well, which is an absolute plus. We had previous salt and pepper shakers that we actually have on our dining room table, but my husband doesn't like them because you can barely get the salt and pepper out of them. These are visually appealing. They're absolutely stunning. I love that like faux kind of concrete look to them. Concrete's not the right word. Ceramic maybe. I love that look to them. The original price of the salt and pepper shakers is $7.99, but I got them 50% off when Target was doing one of their Hearth and Hand sales. Next from Target are their smaller faux plants. They are usually around $5, but they have sales on these too, and you can get them as low as $3.50. Now, they're not giant, they're not going to take up a lot of space, but if you're wanting to add some greenery into your home and you're on a budget, because trust me, we are too, these are really great. I have them in multiple different rooms and they come in a variety of styles. My last item from Target, I have talked about in my laundry room makeover yet again, and that is these laundry baskets. They are $15. They're the Bright Room brand, and I love them. They are a canvas, like outside and inside. So they look more appealing than kind of a plastic laundry basket that can sometimes be an eyesore. They look really nice. But on top of that, the thing I love the most is that it has the bag that you can pull out and remove. Our laundry room is teeny tiny, and dragging baskets in and out was just not working for me. I had nowhere to store them when the laundry was actually being done. These bags are so easy to throw over your shoulder, carry to the laundry room, and then while the laundry is in the washer or dryer, you can throw that bag on a hook and it is out of the way. Last up, we have Walmart. Love Walmart prices, but I have to say, I didn't buy as much from Walmart this year as I had in previous years. When I was looking through my purchase history for these 3 stores, I have spent more money at Amazon and Target. But I do still love Walmart, and I do have 5 of my favorite purchases from 2022. First up is this bathroom cabinet. We have no storage in this house, but especially in the bathrooms. I have all kinds of facial products. My husband has beard products and medicine and things like that. And the mirror that we have in our bathroom, it's just a mirror. It is not a medicine cabinet. The price for this was a little bit steep. It is $50, but it is a good investment. It has completely solved our storage issues in our master bathroom, and it even has a hanger at the bottom so that we can hang a hand towel. Next up are these Better Homes and Gardens canisters. I bought the 3-pack. I actually bought 2 3-packs and then some of them individually. The 3-pack was $15, right around there, but you can buy each size that you want and not have to buy it in a pack. I absolutely love these for our pantry. Not only are they more visually appealing, but I can actually see what I have. A lot of the times I would have a box of something and I would think, well, I have a whole box of that. And then when I went to make dinner, I found out we have 4 little strings of spaghetti. That's not going to do any good. So I love that I can actually see what I have. And I use these canisters for items that we purchase a lot. Rice, pasta, coffee, things that I know that I'm always going to be putting into the containers. I don't like to use them for specialty items that I might only buy once in a while. Number 3 from Walmart is a big purchase, and that is the CleanSlate. I actually bought this recently and I featured it in a video. I will have that video linked down below where I unboxed it and I used it for the first time. It was about $98. Now I do believe I got it on a little bit of a sale. I paid 80 something, but it runs about $100. So it is an investment, but I think that it's totally worth it if you have stairs in your home, or if you're planning on cleaning your car, or if you have any couches or chairs that don't have slip covers on them. It works really well too along baseboards to get any of that grime out after you vacuumed. It's very easy to carry around and it's pretty powerful. Number 4 is a super recent purchase, but I'm in love with them. And these mirrors right here are what I'm talking about. Now, they are $18.98 each, which is more than I wanted to spend. But if you watched my video where I did random home projects, again, shameless plug. Lots of videos linked down below for you guys today. Check them out. Support us. We love you. Buy us a coffee. Do it. But I wanted to change the mirrors in our bathrooms. And I had bought some from Target for $7, but they were like this big. And I didn't like the way that they looked. So even though each mirror was about $20 and I wasn't planning on spending that money, I absolutely love the way that they look. Last on our list for Walmart is going to be a random product, and that is the dish soap that we use. One thing I love about it is that it is clear. I don't want to see blues, greens, oranges in my dish soap dispenser because I have a clear one with a little black bottom. So I don't want those vibrant colors because I don't like those vibrant colors. So I love that this dish soap is clear, but I also love that it smells amazing. It actually makes doing the dishes more enjoyable. I wouldn't say enjoyable, but more enjoyable than with any other dish soap I have used, even Mrs. Meyer's, and I used to be on that stuff hard. It is only $2.67, and bonus, it cleans the dishes really well. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and entertaining. Please let us know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products, our top 15, or maybe you want to tell me one of your favorite products from Amazon, Walmart, or Target, because maybe, just maybe, I need it. Make sure that you check out the video and the playlist on the screen and smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. Bye.